So guys, you wondering what we are doing right here? Okay, basically after Dog's airdrop, I had to gather some money and a whole lot of other monies to place an order for an iPhone 16 Pro Max, which has eventually arrived now. And the reason why I bought this phone is because I needed a phone that can actually record in log format compared to my iPhone 14 Pro Max, which I'm using currently, which cannot record in log format in case I want to color grade. So basically it's because of my job. So the reason why I'm making this video now is because I want us to unbox this phone together. This is not a professional unboxing. No, I just want us to see how it feels inside. So if you don't mind, you can watch this video along with me as we unbox this device. We have the Type-C and we have the Lightning. So 14 Pro Max is still the Lightning, but 15 Pro Max and 16 Pro Max use the Type-C cable. So we have this Type-C cord right there. So now let's power on the 16 Pro Max right now. So here we have the 14 Pro Max right here, which is 128 gig, and here is the 16 Pro Max, which is 256 gig. So this is desert titanium and this is deep purple. So this iPhone 16 Pro Max is light in weight compared to any other big iPhones I have handled in recent years. Basically on the right side we have the power button, which is basically air, and we have the camera button, which is also air, and the left side we have the volume button, and we also have the mute button, which is air, and we also have the SIM tray, which is also right here. So that is all about this iPhone 16 Pro Max, other than the fact that it costs $1,300 to $1,400 on Apple Store, and if you want to buy in my country, you are going to pay around 2.7 million naira to 2.9 million naira. So that is it. So I don't know what I'm going to do with my iPhone 14 Pro Max. Maybe I will dash it out. I don't know.